Hey there, I'm Kelly and I am the founder of Bilingual Bridges. Just wanted to stop by and share with you guys, we have some really exciting news about our newest partnerships with the Arkansas Department of Education. So we have been approved to be a vendor beginning August 1st, working with schools and families across the entire state of Arkansas. So in the schools, we'll be working with kindergarten through 8th grade students and high impact reading and math tutoring throughout the entire school year. For the families who have kindergarten through 3rd grade students, if they have qualified for the literacy tutoring voucher, they have $500 at their disposal for each child, and they can choose to work with Bilingual Bridges on literacy tutoring. So if you are interested in learning more about our programs, if you're a family in Arkansas or a school that works with kindergarten through 8th grade students, please visit our website, www.bilingualbridges.com, and click the option at the top that says Arkansas Learns Tutoring. Thanks very much.